Welcome to Catalonia, welcome to Barcelona. My name is Derek Ray, and ready with his tactics board to provide all the analysis is Stuart Robson. And it is a day of renewal, the first day of the season in La Liga Santander. It's Barcelona up against Real Sociedad.
Well, the atmosphere is incredible inside the stadium, Derek. There's a real...
Can he take advantage? Well, a powerful effort, but just wide. Silva. Oh, that's an interesting pass. Zaldua. Putting them under the cosh. Well, it looked so promising, but a goal kicked the outcome. Serginho Dest. Depay. Excellent ball over the top. Well, not to be. He had moved into an illegal position.
Well, it's great that he wants to run in behind, but he has to get the timing right.
Oh, that's a fine pass. That's not a bad ball. Can they forge ahead? And still danger here. Well, threat averted. Serginho Dest. Araujo. Now Jordi Alba. A move of promise on the flank. Piqué. Just knocking it around, looking to carve out a chance. Showing good defensive judgment. Nacho Monreal. Monreal. On to Silva. Well, it looked as though they might be in just for a second or two. Unable to keep the ball that time. Marvellous piece of skill. Depay gives it a go. Oh, good work by the keeper. Mikel Merino. Here's Isaac. Silva. Merino. And back with Silva. High quality defending. Serginho Dest. Physically strong and secure on the ball. And they need to get tighter here. Merino. Well, really fine goalkeeping. Good diving stop. Trying to pick out a teammate. And the goalkeeper covered a lot of ground to push that away from danger. Jordi Alba.
Well, you have to think they're going to take the lead at some point, because they're really looking dangerous at the moment.
Plenty of options. Real chance. And there it is, the opening goal, 1-0, and they'll feel they deserve it. And the ball moving again. What sort of response will we see from them now? Zaldua. Portu.
Well, as you can see, Real Sociedad have enjoyed more of the ball, but they've shown a real lack of invention today. One or two of their more talented players need to step up now to get them back into this game.
I must say, this looks promising. Nicely cut out. David Silva. Hernandez. Robbed them. Pedri. Vital interception. The danger was very real. Hernandez. Well, the first 45 minutes have come and gone here in Catalonia. The teams are ready to have a go at each other again as the second half commences. Hernandez. On to Silva. Isaac. And it crossed the touchline, so a throw in here. Silva. And players waiting in the centre. Marino. And dispossessed. Silva. Speculative effort here. And a wonderful diving save to deny the opportunity. Short corner favoured. Silva. And a struggle to get it away properly. Well, nothing untoward happened. Well, the counter chance looks very real. Decent progress with the ball at his feet. Perfect tackle. Oyarzabal. Well, he's been the standout for his side so far, don't you think, Stuart? David Silva, a very able passer. Well, nothing productive, really. And it's gone behind for the corner. It's going to be a double substitution. Who's going to get on the end of it? Not all that convincing defensively. Threat over for now, it seems. De Jong. Read it superbly to take back possession. Zaldua. Guevara. Well, they want that equaliser, but their passing remains smooth. And it's with Isaac. Nicely saved. More football for you to enjoy from La Liga coming up here on EA TV. It's Barcelona and they take on Athletic Bilbao.
Well, as you see, Barcelona haven't had too much of the ball, but when they have won it back in midfield areas, their counter-attacking has been excellent. They'll be happy with the way the game's going at the moment.
Patient build-up at the moment. This could level it. Decent cross, but nobody in the vicinity. Throw-in forthcoming for Barca. This is very rare indeed. 3 substitutes coming on at the same time. De Jong. Serginho Dest. They've regained possession. They're getting the ball forward. Can they get in behind them? Really vital interception here. Well, more live La Liga action for you to look forward to here on EA TV. It's Real Sociedad and they take on Rayo Vallecano.
And what a game that will be. 2 good teams in a great stadium. I'm really looking forward to that one.
Silva. It's with Oyarzabal. David Silva. Isaac. Well, into an attacking position. It's not too late for them. Now can they create something? Well, the attack fizzled out. Oh, it could be. And far from the ideal cross. Keeper's ball all the way. Well, keeping it on the ground. Slightly off target, however. Isaac. Oh, surely. The keeper diving magnificently to make sure he got there. A corner then, and with time running out, they've got to ask questions. Really good challenge. And they'll get ready for the throw-in. Jordi Alba. Fati. Nicely cut out. Oyarzabal. And it's a quality pass. Silva. Getting through fantastic work here just to keep possession. This could square the game. Well, what a stop that was. Time really is of the essence. What can they do from this situation? He's driven in the corner. And they could face difficulties here. And it's played into the centre. And the final whistle has sounded. The end of the game here, a win. What a game we have in store for you today. The hype has been building all week and the fans are pouring into the stadium. The tension palpable. It's Athletic Bilbao and they take on Barcelona. It's coming up live next on EA TV. Well, it's always a great pleasure to bring you matches from this venue, the Estadio San Mamés in Bilbao. I'm Derek Ray, your match commentator, and alongside providing all the tactical analysis is Stuart Robson. An action coming up from the Spanish top division, La Liga. It's Athletic Bilbao versus, and the keeper taking it cleanly. Well, let's run the rule over the Athletic Bilbao starting lineup. Kappa plays with Yuri Berchiche in the fullback positions, and so many different ways to configure an attack. In this case, it'll be two men up front. Shown inside. Still a chance. And the keeper put to the test, but he comes through it.
Well, he's so sharp, isn't he? Great first save and then the recovery.
And nicely struck. Well, tremendous block. Well, so much to like about Muniain and his ability to dictate the terms. What do you anticipate seeing from him in this one, Stuart?
Well, the best players are the ones that can play in tight areas, and he can certainly play in tight areas. He wriggles out of situations, he can find that penetrative pass, and he's such a good player when he gets the ball out of his feet and gets shots away. He could be the outstanding player today.
Takes the shot. Save, but still a chance. And he clears it out of harm's way. Garcia. Promising attack, this. Raul Garcia. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Good-looking ball. Accurate pass upon accurate pass. And the keeper able to hold on to it. Jordi Alba. Sergio Busquets. Pedri. Now Busquets. Depay. Well, the pass not finding its target. Well, Barcelona were too strong for their opponents in the last match against Real Sociedad. How do you think this one will go, Stuart?
Yes, I thought it was a good 1-0 win in front of their own fans. Today, they will be a lot tougher, and I'm expecting a really close game, with neither side quite having enough to win it.
Given away by Barcelona. Now can they make something happen? Fruitful looking attack. Williams. And there it is, 1-0. Their efforts have been rewarded. And look at the celebrations. And the ball moving again. What sort of response will we see from them now? Torres. Looking confident with the ball at his feet. That's what you call defending from the front. Possibilities here. He made it look simple, really. Yeray. Raul Garcia with it. The attack continues. They're making considerable progress. Dani Garcia. Williams. Oh, moving it nicely. And they have possession again. Williams. It's with Garcia. It might be on for them. And a long way out. High echelon goalkeeping there. Now sending it in. Well, still an issue here, and it might be. And that, a piece of goalkeeping you're going to see again and again and again. Who's going to get on the end of it? Well, they haven't overcome all the difficulties. And I think the threat has been averted. So approaching half-time, and the visitors have a bit of work ahead of them. Stuart, your assessment?
Well, I've been a little disappointed with their attacking play. It's all been a bit too slow. If they can pass it into their front areas with more quality, switch play quicker, and be more positive in 1v1 situations, I think they'll get back into this.
Well, they've won possession back. What can they do from here? Depay. Excellent assessment of the situation at the back. Dembele. Long way out this. And diving to thwart him. And the short option preferred. Dembele with the cross. Not messing around with that clearance. Dembele. And given the defender's touch, the referee says corner. Keen to take it short here. The delivery from Dembele. Well, he wasn't messing around with the clearance. Berenguer. Oh, a lovely ball. Oh, Garcia. Couldn't hang on to the ball. Intelligent threaded pass here. And that is how to block. Maximum commitment, and he's given away the corner. Trying to deliver it accurately. Just a bit too high with that attempt. A chance then for the respective managers to address their charges. It is half-time here.
Well, he was one of their better players in the first half, but needed to be better still. Stuart, your thoughts?
Well, I think he's been a little bit off the pace today. Yes, he's been...
And the ball is moving again. The onus is on Barcelona to turn this game on its head. Jordi Alba. And Depay on the ball. Now Jordi Alba.
And the pass was just that little bit off. Nearly found its target.
Kappa. And after that fantastic effort, it's gone out for a throw-in. Garcia. Well, there to intercept. And a throw-in forthcoming. And another treat from La Liga coming up for you live here on EA TV. It's Athletic Bilbao versus Celta Vigo. Useful looking position, you've got to say. Williams. Marvellous anticipation. Depay. Plenty of players waiting in the middle. Well, they've been getting the substitute ready, and now they will make the personnel change. Vesca. Really good high press. Dembele. And the goalkeeper has outdone himself with that save. Who can they pick out? Terrific piece of anticipation. And he's done well to tip it over the bar. Well, another corner. Can they take advantage of this one? Taken short. The delivery from Dembele. Well, pretty straightforward for the keeper, you've got to say. Well, we're into the final half hour. Under pressure, doesn't seem to be bothering him. Well, this is the home of live football, and excited to have more action from La Liga coming up for you. It's Barcelona facing Getafe.
I like the look of that game. The atmosphere is always good inside that stadium, and two very good teams.
Raúl Garcia. It might be. Oh, it was a crucial challenge. Barcelona now in potentially a dangerous position. And read the danger magnificently.
Well, if he gets this wrong, a penalty and a sending off, but he was spot on with his challenge.
Vesca. Space on the flank. Will he finish? And a goal! They've added to the lead, much needed security. This is very rare indeed. 3 substitutes coming on at the same time. So 2-0 now. Into the final 20 minutes. Jordi Alba. And Depay on the ball. Patient enough build-up. Can they carve out a chance? De Jong. Jordi Alba. Depay. Options in the middle. Committed challenge. This might be ideal for the counter. Well, it looked highly promising, but it came to nothing in the end. Well, the referee not too happy with the challenge and blows for a free kick. Well, they couldn't take advantage of the opportunity. And a poor ball. Depay. Well, tremendous block. Could pull one back here. Which he does! And maybe, just maybe, there's enough time for an equaliser. It would be quite the frenetic turnaround.
And the ball is moving again. Anyone's guess how this is going to finish. 2-1 currently. Well, play stopped. It is a free kick. And that's easy peasy for the keeper. Well, there's still scope for late drama here. 5 minutes left and just one goal between the sides. Time against Barcelona, but you can't count them out. How about this for drama? All even once more. Astonishing. So underway again at 2-2. All even, but will it stay that way? Lovely work to get past his man. Dani Garcia. Now with Muniain. What about the stoppage time situation? 2 minutes the word. Dani Garcia. Well, he stopped them in their tracks. And so the full-time whistle here. 1 point for Barcelona rather than 3.